Alright, everybody. Trying to find the opening of this. I'm going to do one for dogs. And I've got all these different little dog charms. Be for dog lovers. And I'm going to show you how to hang one of these on there. And I'm going to do the rest of them so I don't torture you watching that. And I will be back after I show you how to. We'll open this jump ring up. It's a 5mm. And I just have to wonder if my choice of jump rings is my problem with putting these on. I'm getting better at putting them on, but I don't see how people make these things that and with any speed. So, see, I just fall right off. And it could be my hand strength. Alright. Let me get it. Where'd I lose it? Alright. I want to put it right about there. And we'll get it in here first. Now, I'm going to take our little bulldog. A neighbor has a bulldog. Well, it's a little, I don't know what it is. Looks like a bulldog, but it's small. Maybe a pug? Well, who knows? This might be her Christmas present. Alright. Get it. And if they don't go together real good, you sort of wiggle them a little bit and you get them in there. We'll put that on there and probably don't like that, and then we'll come back and I'll show you how to put the beads on. So I'll be back in a little bit and we'll go from there. I'm back. I'm going to show you how to put one of these on. Oops, I dropped it. We just put two crystals together. I've got all our dogs onto the chain, and now we're on the charm bracelet. Now we're gonna snip this. I should have snipped it about a 1/2 inch up, but you can do it after. And we can adjust it. Wow. Don't let them things fly across the room like I just did. I usually catch them. Let's see. I think I've got more than what I need here. So we'll go back with it. And then see if you make a mistake. Wire is a little bit forgiving, but it ain't terribly forgiving. That one ain't perfect, but we'll do another one. Just make sure you don't go through your bead. I think that would be better at the bottom. Let's do that one at the bottom. Oh, nope. I guess it's the other way around. We'll do that one first, and then that one. Alright. Cut it about a 1/2 inch up. Bend it back. And roll it over. And make sure it connects at the top of. Make sure both wires go together. That way you don't have a gap in there that can lose your bead. Alright, now we are going to string a few of these on, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like finished, because it's just repetitive. And I'm just trying to make you a short little video. And if we watch me do jump rings all day, it ain't gonna be short, because sometimes they cooperate with me and sometimes they don't. Sometimes they fly across the room, along with the charm and the clasp and the bead. So we just open it up and close it. Make sure we hang our bead on the same side as the charm. I just hang them beside the charms. I don't try to put them with the charms. I don't know how anybody else does theirs. I haven't really looked. I've just seen some done before that. I really like the look of a charm bracelet. I never had any, so I bought the stuff to make them. So we just open that up, find a spot near our charm, not the same one as how I'm doing them. You can do them however you want. And twist it back. And I think I got it before it fell out. Yeah. Well, I'm close. Let's see if I can push it together. And we'll continue on and make our little puppy dog charm bracelet. Alright. I'll be back in a minute. Finished putting the beads on. It turned out pretty. Yeah. So this one's done. Yeah, thanks for watching and thanks for sticking it out to the end. Oh, I missed one here. That puppy fell up and under there. Oh, it's a poodle. Forgot. Alright. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking it out to the end. And we got all our beads on there. I think it turned out pretty. So I really appreciate y'all sticking out to the end and liking and subscribing. And I'll see you on the next one. Y'all take care out there. Bye-bye.